Welcome you back to Black Site, and tonight we're going to talk about black women in Roe versus Wade. First, I would like for you to subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, hit that notification button, but also comment on this video. Here we go again. Black women are ready to be used for pawns in the Roe versus Wade debate. This debate was started back in 1973 with a case that went before the Supreme Court. It came down 7-2 that basically women could have abortions. But the foundation of this legal precedent, so-called, was found on a lie. Norma McCorvey, who basically told the world that she was gang raped by black men, which was truly all a lie. It never happened. It was a story made up to get sympathy with the public, so Roe versus Wade can be passed. We know that basically things like this, abortion and other rights, usually go through the states. But they use the federal government off a lie to get abortion passed. And you have to remember, I'm speaking to black women, that abortion was something that Margaret Sanger wanted so bad to flourish in the black community. When she started her crusade, and we know that Margaret Sanger was a racist, she wanted to keep the number of black children down. So she went to ministers to sell her program, which came out to be Planned Parenthood. That she wanted our numbers down because she knew that we were growing at a rapid pace in America. And black women have to understand that numbers equal power. And if you don't think that means anything, look at how the Hispanics have passed black population. The reason why they have passed the black population is because most Hispanics are Catholic. And the Catholic Church is against abortion. So you see Hispanic families with a large number of children, 4, 5, 6. And over that period of time, since abortion was passed in 1973, the Hispanic population has passed the black population, and they have become the number 2 minority in America. Over the past 50 years, it's estimated that black women have had between 20 and 30 million abortions. That means our population's at 12 to 13%, basically about 45 to 50 million people in America. If you think about all those children that die in the womb, I know some of you don't believe that is a child until it comes out. But God believes it's a child as soon as that baby is conceived. And basically, I always talk about the scripture that I always heard, especially as a little boy, when they used to tell you that God knew you was before you was even born. He knew you before you was even conceived by your parents. And I want black women to know the reason why they want you up front, because you're their pawns on the chessboard. You could be easily maneuvered. You will take all the incoming fire because they're saying it's going to hurt your reproductive rights. You still have reproductive rights. You still have the right to get contraceptives. They have so many different contraceptives out here that you can buy, your insurance can take care of. But why do they want you to keep having abortions? It should be something we shouldn't even talk about, something that should be done quietly. Did you know that every abortion that's had by Planned Parenthood, they sell the fetal parts, black fetal parts, to companies, and they make money off of your abortion, not you just paying for the abortion, but the fetal parts of your baby. They want you to keep your numbers down. This fight is truly about white people having more kids, replenishing the ranks, because right now they almost have a zero population growth. But you want to stand out and be that pawn. You want to be that crash dummy for white liberal women, white socialist women, who truly don't love you or the kids that you are aborting. Numbers do count. Go ask the Muslim population in Europe. It was an imam saying, we don't have to invade Europe. We will just take it over by having children. And it's estimated by 2015, the majority of some European countries will be Muslim because of the birth rate. They want to keep our numbers down. They want our politicians out there screaming at the top of their lungs, because not only can they use their femininity, they can use the color as a spear against those who are against abortion. You will hear the calls about rape and incest and all those different words. You can have exceptions for that, but I will tell you this, that black women, this is not our fight. Why do we have to fight to kill our babies? Like that's an honorable thing. I heard Loretta James saying she was proud to have an abortion. This is the New York State Attorney General that they're establishing an abortion fund for. And I said, what woman would say that? Because it's a baby. It's a child. I couldn't believe that she said it, but she did. This is how low our community and our morality has went, to where we're willing to celebrate the death of a black child. And so many others are saying this. Nobody's against your reproductive rights, but it's inhumane to kill something that God made and throw it out the back like it's nothing but trash. I want to thank you for listening to Black Site. I hope you subscribe to my channel. Smash that like button. Also, share this video.